Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Surah Al-Hood is chapter number 11 of the Quran. Its revelation number is 52. It was revealed at Makkah. It has 10 sections and 123 ayat verses. Section 9, ayat 96 to 115.
وَلَقَدْ أَرْسَلْنَا مُوسَى بِآيَاتِنَا وَسُلْطَانٍ مُبِينٍ.
96. And indeed we sent Moses with our signs and evident authority.
إِلَى فِرْعَوْنَ وَمَلَئِهِ فَاتَّبَعُوا أَمْرَ فِرْعَوْنَ وَمَا أَمْرُ فِرْعَوْنَ بِرَشِيدٍ.
97. To Pharaoh and his nobles, but they followed the bidding of Pharaoh, and the bidding of Pharaoh was not rightly guided.
يَقْدُمُ قَوْمَهُ يَوْمَ الْقِيَامَةِ فَأَوْرَدَهُمُ النَّارَ وَبِئْسَ الْوِرْدُ الْمَوْرُودُ.
98. We shall be at the head of his people on the day of resurrection, and will lead them to the fire of hell, and evil is the place to which they are to be led down.
وَأُتْبِعُوا فِي هَذِهِ لَعْنَةً وَيَوْمَ الْقِيَامَةِ بِئْسَ الرِّفْدُ الْمَرْفُودُ.
99. And they are followed in the world by a curse, and also on the day of resurrection, evil is the reward which they have been given.
ذَلِكَ مِنْ أَنْبَاءِ الْقُرَى نَقُصُّهُ عَلَيْكَ مِنْهَا قَائِمٌ وَحَصِيدٌ.
100. And this is one of the stories of the townships which we relate to you. Some of them still survive and others are completely destroyed.
وَمَا ظَلَمْنَاهُمْ وَلَكِنْ ظَلَمُوا أَنفُسَهُمْ فَمَا أَغْنَتْ عَنْهُمْ آلِهَتُهُمُ الَّتِي يَدْعُونَ مِن دُونِ اللَّهِ مِن شَيْءٍ لَمَّا جَاءَ أَمْرُ رَبِّكَ وَمَا زَادُوهُمْ غَيْرَ تَتْبِيبٍ.
101. And we did not wrong them, but they wronged themselves. So their gods, whom they used to call besides Allah, did not avail them in any way when came the command of your Rabb, Creator and Sustainer, and they added nothing but ruin to their Lord.
وَكَذَلِكَ أَخْذُ رَبِّكَ إِذَا أَخَذَ الْقُرَى وَهِيَ ظَالِمَةٌ إِنَّ أَخْذَهُ أَلِيمٌ شَدِيدٌ.
102. And such is the grip of your Rabb, Creator and Sustainer, when He seizes the township while they are doing wrong. Indeed, His grip is painful and severe.
إِنَّ فِي ذَلِكَ لَآيَةً لِمَنْ خَافَ عَذَابَ الْآخِرَةِ ذَلِكَ يَوْمٌ مَجْمُوعٌ لَهُ النَّاسُ وَذَلِكَ يَوْمٌ مَشْهُودٌ.
103. Surely herein is a sign for him who dread the chastisement of the hereafter. That is a day when all mankind shall be gathered together, and that is a day of general attendance.
وَمَا نُؤَخِّرُهُ إِلَّا لِأَجَلٍ مَعْدُودٍ.
104. And we defer it only to an appointed time.
يَوْمَ يَأْتِ لَا تَكَلَّمُ نَفْسٌ إِلَّا بِإِذْنِهِ فَمِنْهُمْ شَقِيٌّ وَسَعِيدٌ.
105. On the day it comes, no soul shall speak except by His permission, and some of them will be wretched and some fortunate. 106.
فَأَمَّا الَّذِينَ شَقُوا فَفِي النَّارِ لَهُمْ فِيهَا زَفِيرٌ وَشَهِيقٌ.
So as for those who are wretched, they shall be hellfire, and their lot therein shall be groaning and sobbing.
خَالِدِينَ فِيهَا مَا دَامَتِ السَّمَاوَاتُ وَالْأَرْضُ إِلَّا مَا شَاءَ رَبُّكَ إِنَّ رَبَّكَ فَعَّالٌ لِمَا يُرِيدُ. 107.
They shall live therein as long as the heavens and the earth last, except as your Rabb, Creator and Sustainer wishes. Surely your Rabb, Creator and Sustainer accomplishes whatever He wishes.
وَأَمَّا الَّذِينَ سُعِدُوا فَفِي الْجَنَّةِ خالدين فيها ما دامت السماوات والأرض إلا ما شاء ربك عطاء غير مجذوذ.
108. And as for those who are fortunate, they shall be in paradise, to live therein as long as the heavens and the earth last, except as your Rabb, Creator and Sustainer, wishes, as an unending reward.
فلا تك في مرية مما يعبد هؤلاء ما يعبدون إلا كما يعبد آباؤهم من قبل وإنا لموفوهم نصيبهم غير منقوص.
109. So do not be deceived by what these people worship. They do not worship but as their forefathers worshipped before, and surely we will pay them their share undiminished. Synopsis of section 9, Ayat 96 to 109. This section mentions Prophet Moses ﷺ and his mission to Pharaoh and his people. Prophet Moses ﷺ came with clear signs from Allah Almighty, but Pharaoh and his chiefs rejected him. Instead of accepting the truth, they followed arrogance and pride. They denied Prophet Moses ﷺ and, as a result, were drowned in the sea along with their armies, as is stated in the Quran before. After narrating these stories of various prophets, Allah reminded the people of Makkah that the stories of these destroyed nations were a lesson for them. If they too deny the truth and reject the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, then the same punishment could befall them. The Holy Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, was advised to remain steadfast, patient and firm upon the commands of Allah. He was also instructed to establish prayers, for prayer restrains one from immorality and wrongdoing. Please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.